Hi, Bo here from High Tech Investment, and in today's video we're going to talk Elevate Pass. A lot of things has happened with Elevate Pass in the last 24 hours. Yesterday we got a big shock, a big announcement was made, so both from the CFO and from the rest of the team. And exactly what has happened here is that the CFO of Elevate Pass has resigned, and on top of that we have also heard that most of the trading capital, we are not exactly sure it's all or part of it, has also disappeared. So what on earth has happened? Let's go and see the video that was made by the CFO.
Hello, my name is Mark Verdellen, and I would like to inform everyone about the situation within Elevate Pass. The current financial situation of Elevate Pass is bad, and I am fully responsible for it. My poor decisions have led to losing the majority of the company's capital. I acted alone in making those financial decisions without informing the rest of the founders. I didn't notify the founders when a significant portion of capital was lost months ago. I have hidden and covered up the actual financial state of the company from them and decided to act alone with the hope of recovering it back, which resulted in putting the whole company in jeopardy. I apologize deeply to the founders and members. As a result of my actions, immediately I'm stepping down from my position as CFO and member of Elevate Pass Limited. I am aware that Elevate Pass might take legal action against me.
So Mark has resigned, and for obvious reasons. It sounds like he has definitely had some bad trades and then has tried to recover it in some way, shape and form. Obviously, a lot of questions are popping up in our head exactly on how this could happen in the first place. Where were the rest of the founders? And obviously, they came on board right after here. They could have gone basically back into hiding. They didn't. They came out facing this front on. And obviously, we appreciate that very much in order to get the information that we require of what's going to happen with Elevate Pass. So let's just hear the video they sent out yesterday.
Hello, my name is Jolanda Vroeg and I am CEO of Elevate Pass.
Hello, my name is Kaya Shikora and I am CMO of Elevate Pass.
Welcome everyone, I'm Rafael Sibiela, I'm the CEO of the company. Following Mark's Verdellen's statements about current events and the bad financial situation of the company, we want to ensure our members that we, the founders, are not closing the company and we are not disappearing or hiding. We're available for you. We accept Mark's resignation. Effective immediately, he is not part of Elevate Pass. As remaining founders, we ask for patience and understanding. We would like to inform you that we will need to pause cashback withdrawals for the next few months as there is no trading capital. We'll continue to pay out of the commissions from the educational products as they are not based on our payouts. We're really sorry and shocked that this situation has happened. And we'll do everything in our power to bring Elevate Pass back on track again. We'll continue to develop new features, products and income. Also, with the loss of capital, we'll be working for free while paying for our staff from our private funds. We have big plans for Elevate Pass. We have a lot of things already in work and big vision for it. We want to share that this situation doesn't kill that vision or plans, but merely delays them. We believe in Elevate Pass and trust that our members will continue supporting us as we need to do it together. Without our members, there is no Elevate Pass. We'll maintain the support open for all your questions and hold the webinar tonight at 8 p.m. CEST under the same link to answer all the questions about current situations and plan from now on moving forward. Kind regards, Elevate Pass founders.
So obviously this is very bad news, and it didn't take long for the entire community on both the Telegram apps and all the other social media here for people to come out with comments. Some were quite harsh and other ones were quite supportive. We have spoken a few times to both the CEO and the CFO, and obviously we don't know them that well and intimate, so it was a big surprise to us too. But what we really liked is actually that the rest of the founders were coming out straight away and saying, you know, we're going to try and fix this. And the first thing they actually did here was, this was on a Monday, and normally there is a webinar on the evening on 8 o'clock Central European Time. And I actually attended this one here to listen in to see exactly what the founders had to say. And obviously, if there was more information than first given out in the Telegram groups here, we understand that obviously, yes, this is news. It came also as a big shock to all the founders here. So you could definitely see they were a bit shook up. We have also a link in the description for the video of that particular meeting, so you can go and have a look. It was about 1 hour long meeting yesterday there, where first they explained as much as they could what they knew. And obviously they had accepted Mark's resignation here also. After that, there was a Q&A, and obviously a lot of people wanted to know exactly how this could happen and how we could move on. There is quite a few positive notes on all this, as this is only one section of the Elevate Pass. So for the trading, there is also other incomes, and that's exactly what I'm going to try and explain to you here. So as you know, with Elevate Pass, we are not directly involved in the trading that goes on and that Mark was actually involved in. No, we're actually investing in ad packages, and depending on how many you have, it will then double up X 100%, depending on how many packages you have in total. Somewhere from 200 and up is possibility. And then from there on, you can go in and use those ad packages to advertise on their platform. And that one is still fully operational. Second part here is also a few months back, Elevate Pass introduced also a new tutorial, a new training section for crypto. So basically from beginner up to very advanced. That section is also still working, and that has also not been affected with what has happened here on Mark's side on the trading. So those two things are still happening. That means also that you can still get your commission. So when you are selling these crypto trading courses, they will not affect anything else that you have on the platform. That is what we understand from this meeting that they had. You can still also use your ad packages to go in and advertise on the platform. The only thing that won't happen sort of right now, and hopefully they will not change this, is that you will not have your weekly profits, most probably for the next couple of months. Exactly how long is obviously very early days, so we can't really tell you that, and neither could the founders yesterday, so we'll just have to wait and see. The good part is that they are there. They are actually now telling us they are working for free, and they obviously are ready to figure out how they can recover all this money, and that is a very good thing for us. Definitely will be there to help and assist if there's anything that we can do. And we saw a lot of other people also reaching out yesterday, offering some trading. If that is the case, we'll have to see exactly where everything goes, how the founders is going to figure this out. But what we are really happy with is they have gone out. They've been very open straight away with this, which was definitely the best way to handle it. We will be monitoring it very, very closely on what is going to happen in the near future with Elevate Pass. And obviously, we also have the privilege to talk to Raphael a couple of times, the CEO, and most probably we will do it again when he has a better overview of what has happened with Elevate Pass, and most probably also find a timeline for where everything can go back into place. So can you still use your referral link? Well, the system is still up and running from what we understand, and also the CEO is mentioning that yes, you can still buy your ad packages, yes, you can still get your advertising then done on the platform. The only thing that won't happen right now is you won't get any weekly commissions, and obviously that is a setback because even though it has been quite low over the last couple of months here, so which we now understand was a bit on the fake side in the first place for those data. But anyway, that will not happen, and that obviously means that you are not really compounding any ad packages at the moment. So that is something we just have to accept. But by the sound of it, it sounds like we haven't lost our capital, and the capital is still there in some way, shape and form. and let's see what more is going to come out of it later on. So I hope I gave you a bit of an update. So this is very short, precise, and to the point of where we believe that we are. This is very early days, so obviously we will try and get more information out of Elevate Pass, and otherwise you can go into the Telegram groups also, where you can ask all the founders themselves. There's more opportunities also during the webinars. Most probably they will limit those in order to try and figure out how they can recover some of all these things here. So for now, I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure that you watch the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.